Welcome to WERKS. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment.
Today's video is on the unboxing of the Char's OXA Quick Change Tool Post Set. This video is not sponsored, and I purchased the Char's OXA Quick Change Tool Post Set myself. The set includes one of each of the following items: a tool post, a turning and facing holder, boring turning and facing holder, boring bar holder, parting blade holder, and a knurling tool. A big difference to note between the turning and facing holder and the boring turning and facing holder is the groove where the tool rests on the tool holder. This groove holds and secures a round boring bar in place in the tool holder and when the set screws are tightened against the tool. Char's makes it easy to determine if the size of the tool holder is correct by providing measurements of each piece to measure against your machine. I did not see any burrs, dirt, or chips in or on any of the tool pieces. The set was packaged very well, and as usual, plenty of oil to avoid rusting on its trip from China. Cleanup was pretty much straightforward. I used an orange citrus cleaner, sprayed on each part, wiped clean, and then a little light film of whale oil. The most difficult part to clean was the tool post, and that was only on the reassembly of it. I used an old wood spade bit to loosen and tighten the screw that holds the tool post together. It took a couple of attempts to get the tool post back together correctly, because it can be assembled incorrectly. I checked for correct assembly by inserting a tool holder into the tool post and lock it in place. The handle position will let you know if it is assembled correctly. If the tool post is assembled incorrectly, I found that the tool post handle would lock into place over the tool holder and block access to the height adjustment and set screws that hold the tool in the tool holder. Each piece in the set had a certificate enclosed. I'm not sure what the relative standards that they are checked against, but they seem to be as described and look to be functional. So far, I like the product, and it was on sale, so I thought I'd give it a try. My next video will be the installation of the Char's OXA Quick Change Tooling System on my Grizzly GO 768 lathe.
Thank you for watching WERKS, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.